Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Battlefield 6 error code 503. The error reads, "Something went wrong on the server." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when players try to download the disk version of Battlefield 6 on their PS5. Even with different disk copies, the same error appears, though the disks work fine on other consoles. According to our research, the error is likely caused by server issues or network-related problems during the installation process. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to try swapping your Ethernet cables. We mean that if you are using a wired connection, replace the cable and check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then power cycle your Wi-Fi network. To do this, turn off your router and unplug it from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes, then plug it back in and restart the router. Then check for the error again. If the error still persists, then completely turn off your PS5. Simply hold the power button for about 30 seconds until it boots into safe mode. From there, select the option to rebuild the database. Once done, restart the console and check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, visit status.playstation.com to check if the PSN servers are down. If PSN is working fine, then go to help.ea.com/ian/server status and check if the EA or Battlefield servers are experiencing any issues. At last, if nothing helps, then contact the EA support team and report the issue directly. They may be able to assist further. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.